welcome back to The Forest Kid. I'm Matthew. This is my friend Thomas. Hello. And today I wanted to show you how to make an emergency stove out of a Spam can, cardboard, and melted wax. The first is, of course, the Spam can. Take off this, because this is going to be your wick later. So you have a can. Next, you need to mark how much you need. So this is just a piece of cardboard. Any cardboard will do. And I like to put it in the middle, like this. And then go a little bit, just a little bit, on a few centimeters less. Oh, the can should be a few centimeters under the line I made, and do the rest of the line right here. Then connect these two lines and start. Oh no. Start cutting the cardboard. As you can see, there's one strip. This is the comparison. You don't want it to be all the way up because you're going to put air holes in here, and this rim is going to act as a holder for your canteen cup or anything that you're bowling your water in. Now we gotta make more of these. So I got 4 of these. Now we need to, we don't cut them to the size, we just roll them inside. So we just go like this. Then hard. It's usually pretty hard. It's usually the hardest part after. I really like doing it, kind of making it easy to bend like that. I like to move that, so it's easier, much easier to bend it like that. All we need to do is just start off with small, just roll it up like that. Instead, start doing more of the diamond shape, like that. Then put it and then do a lot of these. So we're done. Next you need melted wax and the spam label. So just roll this up. Just roll it up. This is gonna be your wick. So roll this up. This is of course not the best wick because this is gonna be toxic chemicals. So but it's gonna be fine because the canteen, or really the canteen or the canteen.
I gotta go. I hear my little brother.
Next, put this in, and then you need your melted wax. Now go get it. This is the melted wax. Pour it all over.
Ooh.
All over. Make sure.
You took it from a candle, right?
Yeah, this is, I recommend wax, but this is paraffin. So this is man-made wax. So there we have it. All you need to light it. So I have a lighter in my pocket. This is a simple lighter compact. And this is the emergency candle. And don't breathe in the toxic chemicals. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and see you on next Saturday.